Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Honda CRV, that generation from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where, guys, the fuses for the radiator fan is located. You may have up to 3 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. That way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague, and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below, where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So now, which fuse you need to check, guys, right here for the radiator fan, we'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CRV. You have 2 different fuse boxes, guys, and today we will be working in both of them. We will start with the interior fuse box first, on the driver's side under the dash. If you look all the way upside down above the pedals in the left corner there, you will notice that you have a fuse box that will look just like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, okay, we need to check one fuse and we need to go to to a different fuse box. And here we're talking about fuse number 22. Very important little fuse, guys, but okay, it's very important. Now, under the hood you have a main engine management fuse box right here on the right side. Open that cover, and once you guys open that cover, you will see, okay, that layout here. This is the front of your CRV. This is towards the windshield side. We have it sideways so we can show you with the great detail. Here, guys, we'll need to check, okay, 2 fuses. One of them is fuse number 8. So fuse number 8, guys, okay, that's number 1098. It's that 7.5 amp fuse. Okay, let me zoom in. That fuse right here, the third fuse. Okay, even if you have a missing one, you count it. That's one of them. Now you have that multi-block fuse, guys, that consists of 11 individual fuses integrated in one. The side view, it looks just like this one. Bad news, if one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse block. Good news, we will put the link in the description of the video below, where you can get it from at a good price and quick shipping as well. Here you will need to check, guys, fuse, that last fuse, or the very one on the very front, actually will be on the fuse box, and it's a 20 amp fuse right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.